Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off camera flash for taking photos and videos in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone, and if you are taking a photo, if camera flash is used, then you go to you turn off camera flash if you don't like it. Okay, if outside light is more, it is not required to use extra light. Okay, so extra flashlight can be turned off. Okay, to turn off extra flashlight, go to this flashing icon and here choose first option so that flashlight will be disabled. Okay, now take a photo, flashlight is not used. Similar way, keep in video and go to this flashing icon and choose first one, and camera flash will not be used now. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off flashlight for taking photos and videos in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.